How to link PSN account to YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can link PSN account to YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser and head towards playstation.com. Once you're here, navigate to the sign in button at the top right, then you have to log in into your PlayStation account. So once you're logged in, what you have to do is you have to follow all of these instructions as I will mention it here. So once you're signed in into your account, you have to go to the settings at the top right corner. Or if you cannot find the settings option, you could head over to your profile icon. After that, you have to scroll down on the menu bar and then you have to head over to your accounts option. Under accounts, you will find an option as choose link with other services. Under that list, you have to select the YouTube. Once you select it, now you have to click link account. Now, a QR code and link will appear. You can scan the QR code with your phone or you can simply open up a link in a browser and sign in with your YouTube account. Once you're signed in into your YouTube account, you have to allow the permissions to link your account. After that, once successful, you will see the confirmation on your PS5 or on your PlayStation account, and then your YouTube account will be linked with your PlayStation account. So that's it. That's how you can link your PlayStation with YouTube account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.